Have you ever found a version of a document and wondered if it was the latest one? Have you ever questioned if the document that you found is actually valid and up to date? In this video, I'm going to explain what document control is and how it allows you and your team to trust the documents you work with. Hi, I'm Julie Chao and I'm the lead course facilitator at Consepsys, the world-leading provider of document control courses. Thank you for being here. The purpose of document control is to ensure that documentation is trusted by its users and that it contains up-to-date, reliable, checked, and formally approved information. Document control also creates auditable records of the activities surrounding the production, the exchange, and the modification of documentation. So what is document control? It's a document management profession whose purpose is to enforce control processes and practices for the creation, modification, review, issuance, distribution, and accessibility of documents. You find document control in a wide variety of activity sectors. In fact, document control principles are applicable to every organization. Document control is a key component of risk management in an organization. Document control is therefore a profession. It's not to be confused with electronic document management software, content management software, or document control databases. Because these software applications are just tools, among many others, for document controllers. To summarize it all, document controllers are professionals who facilitate control processes and practices to ensure the accuracy, the validity, and the reliability of documents at every stage of their existence, to minimize risks for their organizations, and to give users trust in the documents at their disposal. How do you think document control can support your organization? Let us know in the comments below. Consepsys promotes strong values and a responsible document control approach, attitude, and philosophy. Click on the link in the description below to find out more about Consepsys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.